Diba? Ay, ito na. I'm going to make vegetable shawarma. First thing is you have to get the vegetable on your hands and put it on the center of the bread. Yes, just like that. You just make a mokus-mokus. I want. And then put it the onions at the top. So it was an oxidized chard. Antioxidant, so you will not become age or become older. And then put some cube cucumber, okay? It should be cube, okay? Not parallel, but cube. And then after that, so put the chicken. Yes, the chicken, of course. Put more. So it will be tasteful. Chard! Tasteful talaga. And then the egg. Don't worry, my hands is so clean. Very, very. You don't need to worry. Okay. The tuna, of course, the last and the taste one. Ayaw mo na? There, lagay ko na. Okay. Diba? Daming sahog. Then put more. So, dami. Enough. Yes. Plenty of vegetable. Damihan natin para malasa. Okay, that's it. Then after that, you put it all. Ay, wala pa palang ano. Tawag dito?
Parmesan.
Parmesan cheese.
Matutupik mo ba yan?
Then, put it roll together.
Ulit. Ano sabi mo?
Then roll it together. Then, then eat na. Ay! Sayang. That's all. Thank you.